the IB program did an amazing job of preparing me for college. The kinds of academic rigor that it had and the approach to learning that I found in high school really transferred over very easily to college. I felt like I really got, you know, the subject matter, maybe not, but a university quality education in high school. And the I feel grateful for that. I would definitely say that IB was explicitly good at teaching me to do better collaboration. I remember my first group project that I did in ninth grade. The person I did it with, stopped talking to me. I did such a bad job. And then by the end of high school, I think it was much better. And I had done group projects even in middle school before, but I think that navigating how to work in a team was a skill that I needed to work on, and I learned that in the IB program. I use that every day.